What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, I did this life hack. We're going to do it again, but with a video. So, the life hack is we're going to cut it. We got a new slap bracelet. It's the same one. And we're going to cut it and see if this particular one has a snap bracelet in it. So, we're going to cut this one open. Right. Oh, way. I think we got it. If we got it, we need 1,000 likes. Ready for the reveal? Or to open. No way, dude. We got another tape measure in this snap bracelet. Whoa. You know they were going to put tape measure in every snap bracelet. Yo. Oh, this is actually cool. Subscribe and like and turn your notifications if you want to see more. Turn on your notifications and make sure to not miss any single video.